Hi everyone, we're back today with another Trust and Estate quick tip. So we are wrapping up our business series this week, and I wasn't able to post a tip yesterday, so I'm going to try to cram a couple into today's. So if you own a business, you have to have some sort of disaster plan in place, both for a natural disaster and your own personal disaster. I personally have a very intricate plan in place that took me many months and collaboration with my staff to put in place. I have a lot of key, sensitive details under lock and key with instructions on how to get this information in case I get hit by a bus on the way into the office. I want the business to continue running, both for myself, but for my staff and our clients. So I'm hoping for the least amount of disruption as possible. So I could make a very long post about this and the details of doing so. If anybody's interested in hearing more details, please feel free to reach out to us. But I highly suggest that every business owner, it's not even a suggestion, it's really your responsibility to have this in place for both some sort of natural disaster or your own personal disaster. And along those same lines, think about if something happens to you, who can step in and immediately run the business that day even? Is there somebody authorized to cut those payroll checks, to speak to vendors, to sign contracts, to write checks from your business account? Durable powers of attorney are crucial when you own a business. Next, think about if you were to die or become permanently incapacitated and you couldn't speak, are there any natural buyers for your business? You want to get the most value possible for that business, and that requires typically a quick sale. So think about this. Oftentimes your spouse has no idea who might buy your business and won't know what to do if something happens to you. So maybe make a list. Reach out to these people. They're probably either your competitors or people that you're, professional colleagues with. Make a list and put them with your documents so that there's a quick phone call that can be made. And think about, if you're in the type of business like a doctor that requires some sort of special license, if something happens to you, it's not that easy for somebody to keep your business up and running or to come in and buy it. So that requires special planning. So those are my tips for today. And if you have any questions or want to talk about this further, please give us a call. I'm going to put right here our phone number in the chat. Have a great weekend.